Hi there, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care. This is the unboxing video of the TileMaster wet vac with the spray jet. We've now got it out of the box and we've got all the components in front of us. Here's the main part with the 33 litre waste tank inside. Just going to put this away and we're just going to run through the accessories that we've got here on the desk. So in this box of attachments we have in front of us our main hose, our components to put the lance together, and we also have our floor tools. So we have the large one that goes on to the end of the long lance, and we've also got a smaller one which works a bit like an upholstery tool, just to get those small little areas that you can't with the big one. So we're just going to set up in this video the larger one. So we'll put this trigger part on it first, like so. Then we want our straight connector on here. What you want is, this is to where you hide the pipe, so we want that facing down. And we also do the same with our angled one. That one goes on like so. So we have the whole setup. Now on the end, we're going to pop this one here. So now you have your cable, which is for your jet sprayer. We're just going to pop it in here. Just hides it slightly, presses in, and then this bit here connects in the trigger, and then your female part here connects in your male part here. So that's ready to go. There's your trigger. So what that trigger is going to do is that's just going to spray what's in your tank out here, and while that's spraying, it's also sucking at the same time. So now we've got our long lance on here. What happens if we want to change it for our little hand tool? So that's simple. Here we have a little button, so we push that in and that clips that hose out. Take the long lance off, and this bit here just clicks into here, and then we pop our hose from here into here. Now what you've got to remember is you have got the trigger here, but just remember to use this one here. So now we've run through the accessories. Now let's run through the make body of the unit. So it's a 1300 kilowatt motor. Inside we have a 33 litre waste tank with another tank for your neutralising. So when you're using the spray jets on here, there is a small container in here to put your water. Now what I'd recommend is with the TileMaster Cleaner number 2, just to neutralise as you're extracting and spraying at the same time, so it just neutralises whatever other cleaners you've put on the floor. So to look inside, we're just going to take these two clips here and simply take the top off. I'll just come round and I'll show you what's inside. So in here we have the main body of it. Inside here goes your neutralising water and cleaner, and underneath here is your waste tank where all your wastewater will go. To clip in your hose, always make sure that your hose goes into this little container in here, and that will bring out your clean water. We put the clips back on. So the hose simply just goes on here with a click system. So the way this works is you'll have your pipe aiming upwards, you push in, clicks into place. Now your spray jet hose just clicks in there, and that's just a pushing system as well. So now with your lance, you've got your hose on, you've got the machine, and that is ready to go. So on the front of the machine here we have two switches. So we have your motor switch, which turns it from not working to working, pretty simple, extracting and not extracting. On the other side here we have your pump switch, so this determines whether your water is going to be flowing from your outlet tank in here or it's not. So you can just simply be extracting, or you can have the sprayer on, which can act as your spray jets to neutralise the floor. Thanks very much for watching my unboxing of the TileMaster vacuum system. brilliant bit of kit that can also neutralise the floor as well as wet extracting. For all your tile master cleans, for your cleaners, your strippers, your pads, just come over to Ultimate Floor Care. We'll help you out where we can.